Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Pipedrive email tracking after domain verification. First, log in to your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the settings menu, typically found in the top right corner. Select the email integration option from the sidebar. Locate the section related to email tracking settings. Check if your domain verification status shows any issues. If verification needs to be updated, access your email service provider. Log in to your domain registrar or hosting provider account. Find the DNS settings for your domain. Add or modify the necessary DNS records as instructed by Pipedrive. This usually includes adding a TXT record for domain verification. Save your changes in the DNS settings. Return to your Pipedrive account and refresh the email integration settings page. Look for an option to re-verify your domain. Click the Re-Verify button. Wait for the verification process to complete. Once verified, navigate back to the email tracking settings. Enable email tracking if it's not already enabled. Test the email tracking feature by sending a test email. Check if the email appears in Pipedrive with tracking status. If any issues persist, consult the Pipedrive Help Center for troubleshooting tips. Make any further adjustments as necessary until tracking resumes properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.